Hey guys, it's Courtney, and today we are going to be looking at some of the cards that were donated for the Caring Card Makers card drive. And this month we are donating to River Valley Estates, which is an assisted living facility in Yuma, Arizona. So the deadline to get your cards in was actually yesterday, and I did check my P.O. box to make sure there wasn't any in there, but I will wait a couple of more days just to make sure that I have all of the cards that were sent in case any of them were late or lost in the mail or whatever. But we're going to go over kind of quickly because I got so many cards. We have so many cards to donate. So I'm super happy about that, but I'm not going to go into too much detail with all of these cards today. Now, there were a couple of people who did send in cards that preferred me not to show them on the video, which is fine. But I did want to thank them and let them know that your cards are beautiful. I know some of you are new to card making, but trust me, you got some talent. All right, so let's take a look at some of the cards that we received. So the first one is from Pat, and she has a little action wobbler here on this little bear, and it's winter greetings and warm hugs. She has a coordinating envelope here with an embossed snowflake here, because unfortunately it is still winter, but super, super cute. So thank you to Pat. We also have a card from Beth, and this is super cute. She's got all of the ink blended clouds in the background with this little pug here, and in the inside it says, sending you pugs and kisses. Super cute. And Beth is actually recovering from hand surgery. So I imagine this was not an easy card to make, but thank you so much, Beth. Next, we have a card from my mom. This is from Donna Kreeber. You may have seen her name before, and yes, that is my mom. And she's fairly new to card making too, but she did an ink blended background here with a stencil, and she did a little bit of Copic coloring on her flower. Next, we have a card from Erin, and I absolutely love this color combination. She's got the navy blue in the background and this bright yellow flower with this really, really pretty embellishment right in the center. Very, very, very pretty. Next, we have a whole stack of cards from Madeline. She has been a very busy girl, and I just want to go over these real quick. This one is created with some Trinity stamp sets, and I recognize those. I wonder why, but very, very pretty. Next, we have a Peace, Love, and Happiness, and I love this with all of the colors and all of the embellishments in the background. We have another piece one here with this little adorable little, I think it's a, what do you call it? See, this is where I should Google. Chameleon, maybe? I don't know. Whatever it is. It is cute. And this is all heat embossed in the background with the ink blended background. Next, we have a shaker card with these little owls here and tons of embellishments on the side. I love the color combination for this card. We have another shaker card with the little frogs. Very, very cute. Another shaker with some cows. And I love this one peeking out from the little window. We have another shaker where she created a shaker within the sentiment. And I love that, especially with St. Patrick's Day coming up. Love this one too, the llama, and I don't know whether you did ink blending in the background or that this is a piece of pattern paper, but that's stunning. And this llama is so cute. I don't recognize this stamp set, so Madeline, if you're watching, go ahead and comment and let me know what stamp set this is, because I'd really like to get that one. That is cute. Next, she has a little superhero, super dogs, I should say. Beautiful ink blended background with the skyline here. Very, very cute. She's got a little baker here, and this I recognize from Ellen Hudson with a alcohol ink background. She's got a French fry one here, so a little interactive. She's very good with the interactive cards. Super cute. And we have another little baker here where she created a little scene. Very cute. She's got some sparkle here. Gotta love the sparkle. So thank you very much, Madeline, for all of your cards. Next, we have some cards from Tracy, and she has a Valentine's Day card here, and I definitely recognize this stamp set from Brutus Monroe. Love this background. Then she's got a few cards with all different color combinations, but using the same image, and these are so pretty and shimmery. They're like a pearlescent. It's hard to explain, and I'm sure the camera's not picking up on it, but they're so pretty. Thank you so much, Tracy. Next, we have some Valentine's Day cards from Kelly, and here she used the latest Simon Says stamp card kit for her first one, and she has the inside of all of these cards decorated as well, which I always seem to forget to do. She's got another one here, and again, she's got the inside decorated with this little heart here. Another one with hearts, kind of making up a circle, and all of these hearts are different. Like this is like almost like a metallic-y pearlescent cardstock, and then she's got a glitter cardstock and a regular cardstock, and these coordinate so well together. And again, she did decorate the inside. Love this, love this little cat with the little paw prints here. And again, decorated the inside. Another one here with a dry embossed background, and it says, "Hello, friend." Another busy girl here making a ton of cards. Another one that's decorated on the inside, and I just love these strips of pattern paper. And this one's got some shimmer too. And the last one is the pattern paper in the corner. I love that idea. It looks very collage-like. Very pretty. Thank you so much, Kelly. I have another stack of cards, and these are from Amy. And she's got this first one here, and I don't know whether you guys can see on camera. I'm going to kind of turn it just to show you how much dimension there is to this card. This is so pretty. Next, she's got these cute little windows here, cute little characters here, and this is a glitter sentiment here, and she decorates the inside too. Here she's got a sweet little scene, and she added some glossy accents, which gives it a nice touch. She even added shadows underneath everything, which grounds your images. If you've ever watched my videos before, you know I'm all about the shadows. Love this little monster, the big balloon. And again, she added balloons on the inside. I love that. I got to start decorating the inside. Here's a hot air balloon, and I love the vellum clouds. It doesn't take away from the scene. It's kind of a subtle background, and I love the fact that she did that with vellum. Very pretty. This is like a masterpiece. Beautifully colored. I love that image. I love that color, those colors of blue together. So pretty. Here's another pretty one. And I don't know whether she used maybe zigs on this one, but it's gold heat embossed on watercolor cardstock. And she's got so many different colors within these leaves. And she popped these two up just to add a little bit of dimension. Very pretty. Here she's got a little ice cream truck, and then she popped the window up for this one too. Again, this just adds a little bit to your scene. So cute. And look at this one. Beautifully colored too. Little dogs, they are so cute. And she added her shadows too. She grounded them. Great coloring. This is so beautiful. I love how she did this background and how the colors go down to the leaves. Even though she didn't color the image, it gives the illusion that she did. I absolutely love this card. Next, she created two cards with the My Monthly Hero card kit, which I'm very familiar with, using the butterflies. This one's coming out of the envelope, and this one she cut from gold cardstock. So pretty. Thank you so much, Amy. Next, we have some cards from Angela, and her first one here is a little bit of a masculine card, which I love because, of course, there's men that live there, but it's hard to create masculine cards. At least for me it is. So I love to see the masculine cards come in. And this has so much dimension to it. It is still in the acetate, the little sleeve, because I want to keep them protected. So there might be a little bit of a glare. Next, she's got a beautifully ink blended background. This is so perfectly blended. It is totally seamless. And she added a little bit of shimmer to the moon. So pretty. Next, she has some sparkly butterflies and the large hello. She added some pearls. Very, very pretty. Love the colors on this one. And here's another pretty one where she created a wreath with stamped images and added one of those sparkly butterflies, again with those little pearls. So pretty. Thank you so much, Angela. Next, we have some cards from Joan, and she is all the way in Denmark. Thank you so much, Joan. I love Joan. She has a very, very pretty card here. It says, "Be happy, be bright, be you," with these beautiful butterflies and beautiful background. Love this card. And again, these are in the plastic too, so there might be a little bit of a glare. Here's another floral. This is really bright and cheery. It just says, "You are amazing," which is an awesome sentiment. Love this card. And here's a masculine card. And Joan, I need to know where you got this. I don't know whether this is a large stamp or paper. I'm not sure where you got this large, the legend. But to tell you guys a little story, I come from a racing family, a drag racing family. My grandfather raced, my dad raced, and I race, all at the same racetrack. And my dad was joking around one time and said that he's practically a legend there. And ever since then, that's his nickname. He is the legend. Everybody refers to him as the legend. So Joan, please comment and let me know what this is and where you got it, because I definitely need this for my dad. Here's another masculine card, and I love this. This has a lot of dimension too, and this is so perfect for a masculine card. Here's a floral card, and this, it's probably hard to see on camera, but some of these flowers and leaves actually have some sparkle to them. Very, very, very pretty, and it's layered on gold. Next, she has an ocean themed card, and this is a large card, and it's a large scene. She's got some shells and some fish and starfish. So pretty. Very unique. I love this card. Thank you so much, Joan. And last but not least, we have a huge stack of cards from Yvette, and she included a little note saying that she donates cards all the time. She's donated 300 Christmas cards to a nursing home that's local to her, which is incredible to me. So she's been very busy, and she's donated a ton of cards for this one. So we'll take a look at those. Love these hearts. They're kind of like enamel dots, that kind of texture to them. Love the sentiments. Here's another one with those same hearts and the pattern paper to match. Here's some more of that pattern paper, and this one's glittery. Love the glitter. I'm all about the glitter. I love sparkle and shine. Here's another sending big hugs. I love that. I struggle, you guys probably know, I struggle with pattern paper. I can't get, if I put these two pieces together, to me, I wouldn't be able to make it work. And she made it work beautifully. So I admire anybody who can piece together pieces of pattern paper that are not the same pattern and make it look so good like this, because I just can't do it. Very, very pretty. Love these little giraffes. Thinking of you. Another little giraffe here. Again, with these pattern papers, it looks beautiful. Smile. That's a perfect sentiment. She's got a dry embossed background there that adds just enough to it, but doesn't take away from the focal images. Same with this one. Again, this is the main image, but you still got that little bit of a pattern in the background. Love the butterflies. Again, some sparkly ones. Love the sparkle. Little elephant here. You're a star. This is pretty interesting background. I love that background. Looks like these are heat embossed. I hope the camera is actually picking this up because it's a beautiful, beautiful background. All you need is to be loved. Love that with the checkered background. Just because, this little bee here. Love that. I recognize that from another Simon kit. This one's beautiful with all of the gold and the gold spatters in the background. Very pretty. You've got a pizza, my heart. Very cute. Love the pizza. Here's another cute one. She tied some baker's twine around it and added some button embellishments. Hello, sunshine. This is perfect for Easter coming up. And another dry embossed background. You are awesome. Love the gold stripes with this pattern. So pretty. Hello, sunshine. Another little chick there. Perfect for Easter coming up. And another hello, sunshine. Beautiful. Thank you so much, Yvette. You have been busy and so, so generous. So if I didn't show your cards and you wanted me to, it's because I haven't received them. These are all the cards that I received that did not include a note saying don't show them. So I've shown everything that I was allowed to show. I did not show you my cards. And you can leave comments because this is the first month we're doing this. So it's kind of trial and error depending on what you guys want to see. I can include my cards next time, but the video is not really about me. You guys see me make cards all the time. So I didn't know whether or not you'd even care. If you want to see them, I'll include them next month. If you want to see a tutorial built into this, I can also do that. Whatever you guys want, you just let me know in the comments. Now, these are going to go out, like I said, in a couple of days just to make sure that I don't get any more. And they'll be delivered hopefully by the end of this week to the assisted living facility. And now this month, we will kind of go over, if you are interested in donating some cards for this month, we are going to choose the Ronald McDonald House. So I'll give you a little bit of information now, but if you're short on time or would rather head over to my blog, all of the information will be there as well. And that is also linked in the description. So thank you guys so much for all of the donations. You guys are so super generous. Thanks. Okay, so as I mentioned, we are going to be working with the Ronald McDonald House this month. And I chose the one in Albany, New York, just because it's local to me and easy for me to get the cards to them. But like I said, we're going to choose a bunch of organizations over the next year. So there's always a chance that we could choose something that's local to you. Just make that suggestion. So the cards need to be received by March 1st by me. And I'm just looking for encouraging sentiments. Anything encouraging. You can sign the card with your first name only and where you're from. It doesn't have to be specific. You can say Lynn from Massachusetts. It doesn't have to be anything too specific. The only requirements are no loose glitter. Envelopes are optional. I have plenty if you don't include them, but they are always appreciated. And just include a note whether or not you want me to include it in the YouTube video. It is not a requirement. So starting this month, we are going to have a giveaway. And this month, we are going to give away a $25 gift card to the Not Too Shabby shop. And the more cards you donate, the more chances you have to win. So you will receive one entry for every card that you donate. And I will announce that winner on that YouTube video on the 2nd of March. So thank you guys so much. Like I said, I'll leave the blog post linked below in case you have any questions. Bye, guys.